Welcome to LIN Europe Clinic. Does a hair transplant hurt? The honest answer, not really. One of the most common questions we hear is, will a hair transplant hurt? The good news that its modern hair transplant procedures are generally very comfortable. Thanks to local anesthesia, you won't feel pain during the procedures itself. Most patients describe the experience as feeling some pressure, light vibration, or occasional pulling sensation, but not actually pain. The only uncomfortable part lasts a few minutes. The anesthesia injection and the beginning are usually the only slightly uncomfortable parts of the process. The feelings is similar to getting numbed on the dentist and lasts just a few minutes. Once the anesthesia takes effect, both the donor area and the transplantation area become completely numb. Many of our patients spend the procedures listening to music, watching movies, or simply relaxing. Modern techniques make a big difference. At LIN Europe Clinic, we use advanced Fourier and Dechai techniques, which are much gentler than older hair transplant method. Because these techniques don't require large incisions or stitches, they cause minimal trauma to the scalp. And this means the greater comfort, faster healing, and little no visible scarring. What about after the procedures? One of the anesthesia wears off. It's normal to feeling the tightness in the scalp. Most patients compare its a mild sunburn. This discomfort is usually very manageable and typically disappears within a few days. We provide all necessary medication after operation. The first few nights. Sleeping with your head elevated during the first few nights can feel a little unusual. However, most patients don't describe it's a painful, just something that takes a bit getting used to. We will provide guidance and support to help you sleep. What do patients say? Here are some the comments we hear most often from the patient. It was much easier than I expected, or I felt pressure but not really pain. Because these techniques don't require large incision or stitches, they cause minimal trauma on the scalp. This means greater comfort, faster healing, and little if no visible scarring. So, does a hair transplant hurt? For most people, the answer is no. With modern techniques, experienced specialists, and proper care, a hair transplant is a comfortable procedure with a minimal discomfort and quick recovery. At LIN Europe Clinic, our goal to make your journey as smooth and stress-free as possible, from your first consultation to your final result. Ready to restore your hair and confidence? Click the link below and get your free consultation today. We'll look forward and helping you take the first step. Bye, see you in the next video.